I'm avoiding today. Hey there. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. I guess I'm gonna talk about the setup here. This is the latest that I've been riding. Take this off. So we've got the disc brakes in the front and back. Got my little sensor. Yeah, it's a little janky. 2 zip ties and some duct tape, but I mean, it works for right now. The Bafang BBS HD 1500 watt. It's a 48 volt up to 30 amps. So really it's like a 1440 watt. They round up to 1500. Once I went to the bike shop and they put it on with their tools, it was good to go, and it's been solid ever since. And I've taken it off road, hopped off curbs, and yeah, I've beaten it up, and it's pretty solid. So not worrying about that. No issues there. Simple, really cheap pedals with toe cages. They work. We've got a Luna Cycles Panasonic GA 48 volt 13.5 amp hours, so it's a 13S 4P, so 13 lithium batteries in series and 4 strings of those in parallel. It's about 625 watt hours total. Got a aluminum, well, this might be steel. This is aluminum mount for the GoPro. This is actually an SJ cam, SJ4000. So it's a cheap sort of GoPro clone. So I've got the GoPro Session, which I got at a pawn shop used, but it's been working great. So I got a deal on that. Saved like $70 or something off the retail. Yeah, let's see. I don't know if you can notice the quality difference. In full sun, there is very little difference between the SJ cam and the GoPro Session. But in overcast and near dusk, the GoPro Session clearly outperforms this little SJ cam. This SJ cam does not do great in low light. In full sun, it looks astonishing, actually. Looks great in full sun, so let's get a little tracking shot here. It was like $85 or $95 or something with the 2-year warranty. I mean, you can't beat that. I don't even mess around with the Wi-Fi. I literally turn it on, press record. You know, I have some of the settings set, and for $95, you know, you cannot beat it as a second camera. So we got front headlight. You won't be able to see it now, it's too sunny. Pretty wonky in there. Yes, that is hot glue and cardboard. We have some circuit board, some stuff I soldered up. I salvaged this light from a Goodwill. The mounting bracket was broken. I dremeled out that and mounted GoPro attachments to a sticky back GoPro mount to the inside here, which is glued to the housing and everything, and that's what's holding it on. So it's a little wobbly, a little janky. Yeah, and obviously not waterproof. So, but I still don't really ride in the rain yet because I don't have good rain gear yet. It's dimmable. You can dim it. And this is wired. It's wired into a 6-volt step down from the main battery. So it's just wired right into the main battery, the 6-volt step down from the Bafang headlight cable, and I can turn it on with this switch. Been having trouble with cars not seeing me or not caring. And but with that, I feel like it looks more like I'm a moped or motorcycle, and they're a little more like, okay, gotta give this person room, rather than a bicycle light. People just want to run over bicyclers. Bike rack. My rear brake has a motor cutoff wire from the Bafang system, so when I engage the rear brake, it automatically cuts power to the motor. But on the front, I can throttle and hold the front brake, so I can do burnouts. That's the only reason. side view mirror. So, should we go for a little ride, I guess? Oh, did I forget my gloves back there? I forgot my gloves back there. I won't be able to talk much when I'm riding because of the wind, so you'll just have to see for yourself how it performs. I need some chain grease, so this whole time I won't pedal. I do not have a fully charged battery. No pedaling. Oh, that's a nice shot. I'm going 30 miles an hour, by the way. I don't know if you can see that. Ain't got nothing on me. Ain't got nothing on me. Ain't got nothing on me. I'm going 35. I'm grinding the gears, boy. So I need some grease. I don't know who I'm calling boy. How was that? That was fun. Now it's time to go up. Again, I'm not gonna pedal. Look at that vertical climb. Okay. Hey cop. No pedaling. Going 22 miles an hour. La dee da la la. I always love this thing, man. I want to live in that thing. Is that weird? I love it. Maintaining about 22 miles an hour. Oh, I should have gone down there. That would have been fun. Oh, I forgot to buckle. Should do that. I'm gonna stop here just so I can buckle. No pedaling. We should stop here though. Let's just appreciate that for my brakes do need adjusting. My front brake is not very good right now. Tighten it up. Oh God, what's... Is that the same cop I saw? I hope you enjoyed that. That's it. Let me know if you've got any questions. Well, you know, give me a little thumbs up, comment. But no, seriously, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll post info in the description.
Your bags and taking a seat. Thank you for talking with English.
Thank you.